Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, it is, I don't know if you can tell, a beautiful, beautiful day. And the grass is green, the birds are chirping. It is very, very humid here, though. So, I have the fan going, just out here in the gazebo, just enjoying the day. This morning was a very, very fun morning to be trading. AMC ripping. And this is where having a community like our Discord, okay, is so great because you have a whole bunch of traders in there that are calling the different things out. And there was one just outstanding call on AMC, and it was about 2 weeks ago or so. It was a buy at $9 or $8.50, something like that. And you know, the call was just fantastic. AMC has been a rocket ship ever since the call heard around Discord, at least Green Bar Trading. So anyway, I highly recommend get in there. It's free. It's a great group. Everybody in there is very friendly, good knowledge, just an all-around really nice group. So anyway, momentum might be back. At least the first 3 days have been really nice to see. So we'll see if it continues. Who knows? But anyway, I am off to get a haircut. My hair is a little bit out of control. And then just gonna hang out, relax for the rest of the afternoon. I don't trade afternoons unless we see AMC continue to rock it. Okay, everyone, sharing the moneymaker. Today was a decent day. We saw a lot of action, a lot of momentum that we love to see. AMC was ripping, Ford was ripping. Everything was really ripping. All the Bitcoin stocks, all the momentum stocks, all the Wall Street bets stocks, the meme stocks, you name it. And we were seeing momentum today. So it was great to see. Hopefully that continues. I started noticing Monday and Tuesday, we were definitely seeing more volume from the retail trader. And this is awesome. It's really, really nice to see. AMC has been a beast. Really, really nice. And it's holding its levels. It's doing what it should be doing. So I'm going to start this recap with this loss, because I think that this loss is going to teach everybody out there absolutely the best. I'll show you my other trades, but what I need to show you is the losing trade, because what do? We learn from our losers. So not sure why this is not showing up. Let's see, did I delete it? Bear with me 1 second. I don't know if TOS is just lagging, but I could always just do this again. Hang on 1 second. So the trade that I took here was a call option on the SPY. Now, why did I take a call option? Because it was coming down, and I'll zoom in this chart here. It was coming down to our buy zone, and it bounced perfectly. These levels are so key. I can't stress that enough. And we do it, we alert it. Discord and Twitter. If you guys have been watching, you already know where I post this stuff every single morning. But as we sold off, I was saying there is a lot of buying support down at this level. And that's exactly what happened. We got the bounce. So what I did was I bought a call option, because when you buy a call option, that means that you think the market is going to go up. But if you zoom in here, you're going to see where I went wrong. Now, I bought the call option. So we started to bounce off of this level, which was basically right under this 417.75 is where I put the area where the buyers have been stepping in. So I saw the bounce. I didn't chase, okay? I waited for the retracement, and that's where I got in. I got in right around, I want to say here. Let me just change this. Right around here is where I got in. Now, you can obviously see, instead of being one of these, kind of like a bull flag developing, it didn't go, and it came down to the previous low here. So I had to cut the trade right here because I didn't know if that level was going to break. This usually what we're seeing is not W's. We're seeing a lot of V's. So I wanted to, on the retracement, get that move. Unfortunately, it came down against me, and I had to take my stop loss. I set a plan, and I had the call right. Everything about the trade was right, but every once in a while, because you're not going to get every trade right, this happened to be my one trade today that was wrong. And I adhered to my trade plan, which was going to be to stop out here. I did not want to see this level break, because that's where you see the big red candlesticks, and that could turn into quite a big losing trade. So I cut the loss. Right when I cut the loss, that's when we got that's right when we got my move. So it happens. I mean, this happens. I used to actually care a lot more after doing these recaps, like seeing this type of move and seeing all the money that I left on the table and lost the trade. It used to bother me a lot more, but I just know that my strategy and how I trade is always going to be consistently profitable. I am right way more than I'm wrong. And that at the end of the day, you're going to get, losing trades. It's just going to happen. So let's go over to AMC. Actually, you know what? While I'm on this, let me go through my Citibank trades. It was only three. It was three very small scalp trades that I took when I noticed that the SPY was going to be going up. So instead of taking a SPY option, I just jumped into shares. They cost no money. I don't have to pay any option contract fees. And I knew that my move was going to happen. Now, I left some money on the table. Nothing crazy, but I still want to go over the trade. And the reason why I got long is because the SPY was looking like this. So after this move and after me losing my first trade, right? That is when, once we got past this area, that's when I then went in and got long on Citibank, on Ford, and took my profits on those trades. Before the market opened, I had a couple of decent scalps in the pre-market on AMC. So I can't trade before 8 a.m. That's one of my rules that I set. So I have to wait until 8 a.m. to do any trading. While I was watching this rip up, I kept telling myself, don't chase the FOMO, right? This is not part of your rules. You have to stick with rules when you're trading. So anyway, after 8 a.m., the move was continuing. It was holding the 9 EMA, and that is key. Hold on 1 second. The phone is ringing. Okay. It was the wife. I have to call her back. This is business time now. So anyway, pre-market, waited for the pullback to the 9 EMA, took the trade long, super quick, same candle. Another same candle, scalp. Love the same candle scalp on the 1 minute because you're in and out of the trades so fast. And unfortunately in pre-market and in after hours, you can't set a stop loss, a hard stop loss. You can't set. So I'd much rather try to dial in a great entry and take that quick win. So right here, after we saw, and I alerted Discord of this, be careful if we break the 9 EMA, you can see a decent pullback to VWAP. It's exactly what happened. I got in here. Once again, experience told me not to chase up here. Wait for the pullback, and that's when I got long for another same candle, small scalp. So that was AMC, and the only other one that I did was the futures. Now, the futures I trade whenever I want. Doesn't matter. At night, in the morning, at 7 a.m. is when the platforms for most people, Eastern Standard Time, start to trade. And when I see that, I see a green day and some momentum. Well, that gives me a very good indication of the potential for a nice rip right out of the gate, another small win. Now, once again, I could have held this. I left actually a lot of money on the table here, and this was not a very good trade. I'm going to be honest with you. This right here is a selling zone that I should have adhered to, and what I really usually do, but whatever the reason, I'm not going to blame it on anything else. I just took my profit too fast. It happens. This is where in previous pattern was where I should have taken my profit. So, and especially with the volume coming in, this would have been a nice, a very nice trade. It was still a decent trade. Is there anything else to show you? Ford was ripping up all day long. This one was actually alerted in the Discord by one of our members in there. Just, man, they have been killing it. They've really been doing a good job in the Discord. Once again, I recommend joining. It's free. So anyway, I heard that Ford was ripping up, got in, got out. It was so extended. It actually kept going, which is crazy because if you look at the day before, what happened is it had a rip out of the gate, but then it sold off. I had that in the back of my mind that it can happen again. So I got in and out pretty fast. So that's why just one trade, super quick scalp, same candle. So that's it. I think this was my 6th straight green day. Now it's only $20. It's not a huge amount of money, but if you put all these days together, it adds up at the end of the year. Now, not every day is going to be profitable. That's very clearly known. And these are very small winning days. I keep my risk very tight. I am not 100% sold that we're in this, momentum market again. Until we are, I'm going to be cautiously trading it. I don't trade in the afternoon. I don't trade before 7. Now, we used to get some nice moves And we're starting to see them again, pre-market and after hours. So until I'm confident with that, this is just the way that I'm going to be trading. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the recap and enjoyed my haircut. Perfect. I needed it bad. So hit the thumbs up for the haircut. And if you're new, subscribe. New videos every single day. Get in there on Twitter. Get in there on Discord. Follow us. Join the community. It's awesome. So I will see you guys all on the next video. Take care, everyone.